public employee like a teacher or police officer is charged with a crime and put on paid administrative leave, taxpayers are stuck with that bill. That's money that can't easily be recouped even after that person is found guilty of their crimes. Recent high-profile cases like Huntsville police officer William Darby found guilty of murder. Yet even tonight, he is still collecting a paycheck paid for with your tax dollars. And in Decatur, a former teacher who pleaded guilty to having sex with her students ended up getting paid for 2 years after her arrest. Carrie Witt was sentenced yesterday, and according to legal experts we reached out to, the Decatur City School District won't be getting any of that money back. WAAY 31's Matt Kroschel explains how federal employment law leaves local agencies with little recourse.
The school district was forced to continue paying Carrie Witt as her complicated court case bounced its way between local and state courts. At the end of the day, taxpayers footed the bill to the tune of $116,000, all of that money being paid to Witt before she officially resigned.
Especially if they're guilty, found guilty, that's not right.
Federal employment laws for public employees leave the door open for what happened in Carrie Witt's case to happen again.
But when somebody's charged with a crime, then that activates all sort of constitutional rights, which includes them not being able to proceed in an administrative hearing until the criminal case is resolved.
Robert Tootin served as Witt's attorney. He tells us the Decatur City Schools have little recourse now.
The fact that they had to continue paying her for a period of time is an administrative issue that they probably ought to address internally. If they don't want to get in that situation again, maybe they should terminate her first and then charge her with a crime.
Beyond that, legal experts I contacted say there's really nothing an agency like a school district can do. And this just doesn't sit right with some taxpayers.
Man, that's a lot of money. And you're taking advantage of the whole situation, you know what I mean? That person is, especially if they're guilty, found guilty, that's not right.
We asked the Decatur City School Administration and school board members if they would talk to us about this story, but we have not heard back. Reporting in Decatur, I'm Matt Kroschel, WAAY 31 News.